In this video, I'm going to show you how drinking beetroot juice purifies your blood and cleanses your liver of toxins. They may not look tough, but beetroots are a delicate vegetable with a unique group of antioxidants known as betacyanins. These pigments give beetroots their strong colour and are a source of their medicinal benefits. These include supporting the liver, improving circulation and purifying the blood. Eaten raw, they have a crunchy texture. Once cooked, they taste soft and buttery. Their leaves aid digestion as well. So what is beetroot good for? Well, it supports the liver. Its phytochemicals stimulate the production of glutathione, a detoxifying antioxidant that combines with an array of antioxidant pigments to aid the liver function and neutralize and excrete toxins. It also strengthens the heart. Its antioxidants lower cholesterol and blood pressure, whilst its B vitamins improve nerve function, helping to maintain a strong regular heartbeat. Beetroot is also great for nourishing the blood. A combination of iron and antioxidants help feed and purify the blood, whilst also improving oxygen intake, making beetroot a useful remedy for anemia. Its final benefit is anti-inflammatory. This is because it contains choline, a B vitamin that supports heart health and is also anti-diabetic. So how do you get the best from beetroot? Well, it's great fresh. Grated in a salad, it adds crunchy texture, lively colour, and it's a nutrient boost. You can also use the leaves. Beetroot greens are even more nutrient packed than the root and are rich in bone and blood healthy vitamin K and beta-carotene, which is great for the skin and eyes amongst other things. So what is the best way to cook it? Well, lightly steamed or roast is best. The freshest beetroots will cook faster, helping to retain their essential nutrients. You may also be wondering, how do you use it? Well, juicing it is one of the best. The juice can lower blood pressure within an hour of drinking. Regular intake can lower the risk of heart disease and is used as part of an anti-cancer regime in some clinics. You can combine it with other foods as well. Eat with carrots in salads or as a juice to boost energy, improve appetite and aid hormone regulation during the menopause. And don't forget to use it as a leafy salad. Use the leaves raw in salads as a slightly bitter digestive aid or lightly steam it as a spinach. Here are a few final tips to help. If you buy red beetroot, it contains liver healthy betacyanins. These are the dominant antioxidant pigments in the root. The leaves of the beetroot are sometimes called charred. Beetroot leaves of all varieties are rich in protein, fibre, vitamins and minerals. Remember, with the root, especially cook it with the skin and trim stems on to prevent the beneficial pigments bleeding away. If you can buy the golden beetroot variety, it has immunity boost in betacyanins. These are the main antioxidant pigments in this variety of beetroot. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the benefits of drinking beetroot juice to purify your blood and cleanse your liver of toxins. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the benefits of beetroot juice. Thanks for watching and bye for now.